her fan from Bangladesh. Hello Bangladesh. Hello everybody. So we are so happy to be introducing our very own star, Miss Gulsum Ali. We are back again. How are you?
Yes.
Hey, say hi to Pakistan and your fans, Gulsum.
Hello to everyone. I hope everyone is good. I'm so happy and it's my pleasure to work again with you. Thank you. I'm very happy.
We are so happy that we get to work with her. It's just that she is such an amazing human being. We've stayed connected over the past couple of, I think, 6-7 months.
Yes.
And we constantly talk to each other. Everyone's saying my favorites. I'm here for you. और हमारा यही होता है कि हमारी जो अच्छी collection हो उसमें हम अच्छी सी model ले. Who could be more beautiful than her? She's just stunning. So it's just that our connection is of the heart, and that's why we're recording like this. Anything you want to ask Gulsum, please tell us. Assalamu alaikum. Everybody's saying.
Salam.
She's saying wa alaikum
Yeah,
salam.
it's Azan.
Oh, and the azan is happening. Yes,
We
yes.
are in a beautiful place. Here is the best place maybe in Istanbul. And the photos are coming so good and so nice, so beautiful. Everything is so good.
Yes, and she's looking so beautiful. Look at her. Look at her styling. So हमने ये
I love my style. I love this clothes.
She looks like one of our traditional Mughal princesses. जो मुगल दौरों में होती थी ना, तो मैं ये कह रही थी गुलसुम को कि sometimes she looks like an Ottoman princess, sometimes she looks like a Mughal princess, but the princess. And
Yes.
हम एक हवेली पे हैं, which is like a little castle, Istanbul castle in Istanbul, and it's lovely. So we're having a great time. Anyone wants to ask questions, because people are live here and here. Actually, our comments have stopped on this, but a lot of people are watching. Our comments have stopped, unfortunately. I don't know why. But over here,
Yes. Love you. We love you too.
we
Thank
love you
for
too,
everything.
everybody. So, I think her hijab, if you have the dupatta, we'll take a dupatta on our heads. Zara do dupatte de do. Because everybody is saying it's the azan. यहाँ पर azan जब होती है, it's हम जिस तरह पाकिस्तान में होता है ना, वही feeling होती है, because it's the same story here and there. We have the azan, we have similar beliefs, so it's a lot of fun. Love from Hong Kong. Hello, Hong Kong. So many people are joining in. We can't see most of the comments. It stopped because there's a lot of traffic and a lot of people. Do you want to? हाँ, इसको ये दे दो. So we are going to do this because it's the azan.
Oh,
People.
okay.
So we have taken the dupatta because it's azan and it's about to finish. We'll just do it
I
for
have
2.
two. Yeah.
Yeah, we're just going to do it for 2 minutes. Okay, guys. So here we are with our favorite model. Let us tell you who are the winners. Okay. So the first winner is.
Yes, the first winner is Hares Khan 20.
Congratulations, Haris Khan.
Thank you.
This is Nikhat.
Nikat Ashraf.
Second one is
the
Nikhat
second
Ashraf. Congratulations.
And
Anika.
Anika Khan.
Anika Khan. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
And Bush
Bishra Chok.
Choke. Bishra Chonai. I don't know what that is. I
Oh,
hope we
it's
say.
9?
I think so. And
Bishra, hi, thank
hi,
you.
Bushra. Congratulations. And the last one is Rahil.
Tahir. Yeah.
Rahil Tahir. So you,
Congratulations.
congratulations, all 5 of you. There are 5 winners, and we are very happy. And I love you.
Maria, you are so cute. Yes, she is really so cute. She has some beautiful energy. Yes.
And that's why we love her too, because the most important thing in a shoot is that you get along with the person you're working with. You have a good vibe, you have fun while doing it, and her energy is so positive. We all work in that amazing atmosphere together. So, thank you, Gulsum, for all your energy.
Thank you.
Aslahan. Hello, Aslahan.
Yes. Aslahan.
Salam from Karachi. Hello, Karachi. We love you.
We love you. I hope I will come. One time, I hope.
Yes, we are trying to get her to. Please,
Yes.
everyone should tell her to come to Pakistan.
Yes,
You know, when
but I work now and I have some project here. But inshallah, next summer maybe we do something.
Inshallah,
and I
maybe,
will come.
yes. So all of
Or
you,
maybe for New Year. We have some plans.
Yeah. So
Inshallah.
inshallah, we'll do something in Pakistan as well, because we want all of you to, we want her to see Pakistan just like we see Istanbul.
Yes.
And Istanbul is also a very good place to work because the production teams are amazing. Love you, Aslan Khatun from Pakistan, Karachi.
Karachi.
Yes,
Thank
so
you.
all of you are Sufyan Bhatti, yes. Manchester from UK people are also joining.
Dallas. Herkes.
Dallas, yes.
Yeah.
And for Pakistan, yes, yes. So, anything you guys want to say, please do say, because we have been live for a while and we're going to say bye-bye in a little while. But this has been an amazing experience from the beginning. From the first time we shot with Gulsim till now, it's like it's a connection of the heart and of a friendship and of good energy. All of it is going so well. So, that's why. Lots of people say, why do you keep coming back to Turkey? I think I'm going to do that all my life. So I love this place. It's like a second home literally to me now. And when you have such wonderful people, why wouldn't you go to a place? Multan, hello Multan, Dubai, hi Dubai, Sumaira Mohsen, how are you? And Maria.
I think they write in.
Yeah, some of it is in Urdu,
Urdu.
but most of the people are saying, we love you Aslahan, we love you Aslahan. That's what they say.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I love you
Ab
too.
azan bhi
Thank
khatam
you.
ho gayi hai. So, we are ready for just our final words. Gulsim is now the face of Maria B. Linen winter collection, which is going to be launching in just 2 weeks, I think. And you will see the beautiful collection and its fabric. हमने चादरें भी launch किए. We're launching some woven chadars this time with a lot of interesting, and we've given her some of the best collection to wear. She looks so pretty in it.
I like this one so much, but you can't
You
see
can't watch
now.
it. You can't see it. We can't
But I
reveal the
love-
clothes.
Yeah, the color, everything, it's so good.
Yes, it's amazing.
Thank you.
So, I just want to see if this is still live. Do you think? No.
I think it's live.
Yes, it's still live, but it's just
In
stopped.
Facebook, we are in live. Can you see?
Okay, yeah, because this is Facebook, this is
In Instagram, yes.
Instagram.
Yeah, I think they are.
See, it is now, because okay, we over here we getting wow, great, salam, Faisalabad, hello. It's live.
Beautiful
Okay,
ladies.
okay, beautiful
Thank
ladies.
you.
So once again, it's always a pleasure working with our friends in Turkey, and we are going to work on, inshallah, with things getting better and travel starting again. We're inshallah going to plan something big again, but this time in Pakistan, and there's a boat passing by. So this time we're going to invite them in Pakistan. हम लोग हर दफा कोशिश करते हैं कि इस दफा शूट पाकिस्तान में हो, but because of travel restrictions and lockdowns, हमारे लिए बड़ा मुश्किल रहा है. This entire
I
year.
understand you.
Yes, see? Now she's beginning to understand Urdu. See, अब उर्दू की भी समझ आने लग गई है. हम इतनी बातें करते हैं. She understands quite a bit. So उसकी वजह से हम लोग ये shoot by the way पाकिस्तान में plan कर रहे थे. We were asking Gulsim to come to Pakistan so that we can show her our northern areas. She fell in love with the pictures we sent of Skardu and Hunza. She said, I would love to come here, but because of the travel restrictions, she couldn't make it. तो हमने कहा चलो हम आ जाते हैं Turkey. Next time हम इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान में करेंगे. So people are saying come to Dubai. Yes, we can go to Dubai too to shoot the next one. Lovely ladies together. Hello from Glasgow. So many people are joining from the UK, which is absolutely wonderful. So anyway, I think now we're going to say bye, get back to our shoot. We look forward to sharing the amazing collection with you. And once again, we want to tell our friends and our family in Istanbul that we love them. And you guys are just amazing. And long live Pakistan and Turkey friendship.
Yes, long live. Thank you for your love again. Thank you for everything. Thank you to you, to Maria and Maria B team. They are so professional and good heart.
Oh,
Thank you for everything.
it was a pleasure. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. We'll see you again soon. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Khuda Hafiz. Bye-bye. Okay, we... Live. 11 points.
Here?
Here, here.
Ah, okay.